Just look closer. One biting. Alright, how are you this morning? Good?
Good.
I want to thank you very much for coming over to Evergreen to visit us in our Untouched Paradise. This is part of the Evergreen entertainment. So what we're going to do now, we'll give you a song before you on your way to the falls, just to make your day a much better day for you.
Thank you so much. Just only 3 of us. Most of the boys, they cannot make it today because of jobs and commitment in town. We'll try to keep doing the best as we can. And also, in front of us, you can see the black box there. Just give donations. Sometimes, throughout the weekend, we went to the hospital to see, care for the sick people. Also, we went to the prison house to sing. So, we don't force anyone. Any leader who wants to put to help us with the youth ministry, we much appreciate that. Thank you so much. We're going to give you a song, a friendship song. Thank you for being our friends this morning. I hope you will be blessed with the song.
So many memories and so many miles, the road has drives us behind.